going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Colin. Everybody else who's cool with Colin.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Get your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? Good morning. I hope you guys all have a great Thursday. I'm not supposed to say the day of the week anymore. Anyways, so happy Thursday. All right. Now that I blew this, got a Judge Manning clip. This is good. It's a good feel-good clip. Good way to start your Thursday. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can share this so you can see this. Don't. Yeah. It's over here. Can you see it, Counsel?
Oh, you speaking with me? I'm sorry.
Oh, both
Judge.
of you. Can you see it there?
I can. I'll have to.
Can you
just...
see it up on the screen?
I don't think my sight's good enough to read any of that.
It should. It's probably on your screen in front of you, too, up there at the.
This one
podium.
right here?
Yeah, it's probably both.
No. So the
Sure. Yeah.
The allegations here for this bond forfeiture are.
I guess let me put it on here for the court reporter. 23 CP 217645. Austin Kirkland, possession of firearm by convicted felon, purchase, manufacture, distribution, sale of marijuana. He's here it was released July 14th and here on failure to charge monitor. If you just state your name for the court reporter.
Austin Kirkland. Austin Kirkland.
No, I'm talking about your lawyer.
Yes, Your Honor, Will Moran from
Okay.
Mr. Kirkland.
All right, go ahead.
All right. The allegations here are that an ankle monitor violation, essentially. Mr. Kirkland, and I'd like to give the court just a brief history on these two cases. Mr. Kirkland was originally arrested in February of 2023. He bonded out the next day. He was then rearrested about 2 months later on a case that arose from the same incident date for both cases. The public defender who was originally assigned to him did not inform the court that these cases arose out of the same incident.
Mhm.
And so because the court believed there was a subsequent incident, they initially denied him bond. He spent an additional 3 months in custody, and then he was given a bond by Your Honor in July. An ankle monitor was required. He was in full compliance with the ankle monitor for about 4 months. At that time, there was a malfunction with the charger. I've got confirmation of that from A&A All County Monitoring. I have an email from them confirming that there was an issue with the charger. Because he had to get a new cell phone after he got out, he didn't get notice from the monitoring company. When he did finally get notice of the bond forfeiture this past month, he immediately reached out to the ankle monitoring company, has gotten the ankle monitor and the charger replaced, has been in full compliance since then. I also want to mention a brief personal issue.
He's got co-counsel there.
That's correct, Your Honor. Mr. Kirkland's sister actually passed away.
I'm so sorry.
This is
sir.
his nephew who he's been taking care of.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
His mother's husband has also been in the hospital with cancer. So he's dealing with a bunch of family issues. I'd say that the fact that he has appeared in court and that he's gotten his ankle monitor replaced, I understand there was a fairly lengthy period where it was not functioning. It was a malfunction with the charger. And he's gotten it replaced, updated all of his contact information with A&A All County Monitoring, still has a stable address, and is getting court notices and has appeared in court.
What's the nephew's name?
Chase.
Jason.
Chase.
Chasen?
Chase. C-H-A-S-E.
Oh.
Chase.
Chase, what do you think?
He
What do
says
you-
Dida.
Say, take off my uncle's monitor, please. If he said that, she would have done it instantly. Okay, you know what? You're right. You're right. Now, talk about bad luck, though. 2 charges out of the same incident. I mean, that happens, right? If a prosecutor sees a different, charges you something else for the same incident, that could happen months later. So how unfortunate for him. Also, with the public defender not bringing that up. So he spent 3 months in jail, and he's watching his nephew right now. It's like he's got a lot on his plate. He really does. I like this guy. I mean, he's probably like, I just want, I'm doing the best I can. Had this bad day, got arrested for it, spent, 3 months in jail because I didn't have, the best defense. All right, let's go.
That's okay.
I would agree.
He's a handsome
D-Dot.
guy.
I would say that Mr. Kirkland's behavior has showed a clear effort to demonstrate that he is trying to be in compliance with the bond order that Your Honor set back in July. He's already served a significant amount of time on this case. I would ask that the court continue on him on his current bond and see how he does now that he's gotten a functioning ankle monitor.
All right, what says the state?
We'll leave it up to the court, Your Honor. We don't have a position.
You seem to have a lot going on there, Mr.
We'll leave it up to the court. Generally means I don't feel comfortable with saying take it off because I don't know the case that well, but you should take it off, Judge.
Kirkland, are you going to start raising your nephew?
Yes, well, she left me custody of him. She did leave custody of him. So that was why I was telling him like the stuff that I can stand up.
Yes, sir.
So my position at work, it requires me to do a lot. And when I do get off work, I take him to like football and baseball practice, like keeping them active.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely.
It's like it be so hot, like I can only wear pants, like so I don't wear any shorts because it's embarrassing. Like the job title that I have.
How long have you had it on?
I've had it on since July. July 2023. I apologize.
23.
Yes,
Mr. Moran, I take those off after a year.
Yes, Your Honor, and it technically has not been a year yet, but I would say that Mr. Kirkland was in compliance for the first 4 months until the ankle monitor charger started malfunctioning. I would ask that assuming that Mr. Kirkland is in compliance with the ankle monitor for the next couple months, that we allow, or even now if the court would see fit to remove the ankle monitor. He's, in addition to Chase, his sister also left another child who he's taking care of, and Mr. Kirkland also has his own minor child who's a daughter.
A full house.
He's got a full plate. He's got sports teams, sports practices that he has to drive the kids to. He also has been working at two jobs, one at BTLR, which is a shoe store part-time, also at Speed Queen Laundry full-time, which is I believe like a corporate laundry company, that's what he was mentioning, where he gets really hot and he has to wear pants because of the ankle monitor to keep the job. I would ask that the court consider letting him off the ankle monitor. If not today, then within a few months or so.
Take it off. Take it off. I'm not crying. You're crying. Yeah. I don't know this guy, but I'm telling you, he took on his nephew, and it's a tragic set of circumstances. But like I said, 2 jobs, doing a bunch of sports, raising 3 kids, 2 of them that aren't his. Yeah, take his ankle monitor off. He's been through enough.
Webb, what's your position on that? It seems like he's got a full load that if he ever thought about, if he would ever, not that you would ever think about getting in trouble again, you definitely have at least 2 new excuses not to get in any kind of trouble, right?
Correct.
What do you think, Mr. Webb?
I think it'll be all right. Your Honor, if you want to remove the ankle monitor, I will state for the record, I do not know what the facts were. The underlying conviction for possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. I don't even know what the original felony was, but just based upon Mr. Moran's representation to the court and what I see here from the defendant, it looks like he's turned a corner somewhere.
Right.
And he's making an effort. So I don't see any need to be punitive in this matter. But it's up to the court, your discretion. I know that you usually require him to wear it for a year before you remove it. So
Yeah, but I guess not everybody has a sibling pass away and then they get 2 additional children. You got any help, Mr. Kirkland?
Well, my mom, she assists, but like I said, her husband, he's currently battling prostate colon cancer. So that's where the discrepancy is coming from right now, as of now. So I'm kind of taking them to school, picking them up, taking them to practice, having to feed them. It's not a lot because, you know, that is my sister and they are my family. And it's not a problem. It's additional 2 kids. So,
I'm sorry. It is a lot. That's good for you doing that stand-up thing. Have you, Bria, can you give that Dr. Taylor? Have you reached out and like to get some help with some assistance?
All right, I'm gonna let this play out. You guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you, if not in a couple hours, I'll see you tonight. Until next time, bye.
Assistance at daycare and stuff like that?
well, my job, the DTLR job, they kind of help me as far as they give the kids shoes and stuff, and clothes. They donate shoes and clothes to them because they know about the situation.
Yeah.
So,
Well, how about if we take it off where at least you could put some shorts on, okay?
yes, ma'am.
That sound good?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. If
Thank
you
you
just
very
give me
much,
the
Your
order, yeah, just do an ankle, you send me the order?
I'll draft an order today. and
Okay,
send it
yeah,
over.
and you can do it as of today, so quick, whenever you can get it to me, we'll be glad to sign.
Who should I send that to? Should to you directly or do you have a judicial assistant I can send it to?
Send it to Mr. Dukes, Jarvis Dukes,
Jarvis Dukes? Okay.
and Judge Manning.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your
All
Honor.
right, have a good one.
Same to you.
Thanks, sir.
Good luck. You're welcome.
Yeah, definitely good luck for sure. We got, who else do we have?